Look how big this thorn is. I think trees are out for blood. They want some blood.
Stuck me in the finger.
This thorn stuck Marcus' hand in the finger.
That's not right.
Stuck him in the finger. Stuck you in your finger. Can you imagine this going in your thumb?
It did.
I'm talking about for some poor soul, somebody else. Look how thick that is. That is thick. Can you imagine that going in your finger? And stabbing you? That thing longer than your finger. That tree want that blood. It ain't playing. And it's got quite a few of them too. And it's just a little one. And it's hiding right behind the leaves waiting for somebody to climb up it. Why do trees need thorns? Can somebody answer that? Does anybody know? Why do trees need thorns?